Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are marking the conclusion of the Basics of Essential SQL series. Please continue to practice. Now the question would be what next from here? So what we will do is we will now start a practice series wherein I'll share some questions and I give you time to work on the solutions for them and come up with answers, and then we will continue with the solution series for the same questions. Before we do that, thank you for being along with this channel for a while and making this a success for me and for yourself. So as a gesture of thank you, I would like to do a small giveaway. What are those? So here I will be sharing a few workbooks which will be really helpful for you to continue to learn SQL, revisit your knowledge, and act as a cheat sheet whenever you need some help. So the first is the basics cheat sheet. As you can see, this is a PDF which combines almost all the information in one place. The next is window functions cheat sheet, which is more about how window functions work. Since this is an important concept, a cheat sheet would definitely help. Now, apart from that, the third thing I would like to give away is Teach Yourself SQL in 10 Minutes workbook, which will really help you to understand how you can practice for 10 minutes a day and learn SQL. Then towards the end of the practice series, I will be sharing this workbook as another giveaway for everyone, which will help you practice more. So this has about 57 problems which you can try to solve. It also has the solutions in the workbook. And then there are two bonuses. The first one is SQL cookbook and the second is SQL for data analytics. Now these two workbooks are giveaways for those users in future who will be sharing their answers on the channel and helping others learn. So the next video of the channel will be posted tomorrow morning where we'll begin the SQL practice series. Keep watching this space for more. Thank you.